In primetime news this evening, cops on trial for Mario Dean's death profess their innocence.
Police conducted daring abduction rescue in Hanover.
And family cries foul after retrieving decomposing body of deceased relative. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Janella. Now, the IMF is applauding Jamaica's economic resilience in the face of recent storms and global uncertainty, but there are warnings. The details later on in the business day.
Thanks, Lug. And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Thanks, Archie. Well, at least 2 countries have been denied visas for their athletes to compete at the World Relays in China this weekend. And the Jamaica Premier League playoffs are on the way at Sabina Park. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
So you have to wait till the sports to hear the name?
But we just want to know that our athletes will be there, yeah? Definitely. So, Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, the forecast that Met has been putting out for the past week is upholding. We are expecting and we have been seeing dry conditions across most of the area, and we have also been seeing an increase in wind speeds. I'll tell you more later on in the weather report.
Did Romain just say, I was right? Is that what I heard?
Yes, he did.
There's also sports commentary E-Prime, and he'll have the details later on in the weather report and forecast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Okay, so Archie, this evening we're asking what additional measures can be taken to prevent contraband, such as phones, from reaching individuals in lockups?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.